Okay, good morning, second PC students. Okay, today let's go to the next problem, linear differential equation in exercise 9.6. Already yesterday, what did we learn? Particular solution of a linear differential equation. Particular solution. Okay, so continue the 15th problem. Okay, 15th one. Until 15th problem, dy by dx minus 3y into cot x is equal to sin 2x, y is equal to 2 when x is equal to pi by 2, y is equal to 2 when x is equal to pi by 2. Okay, listen carefully. Today is the last class. Today the differential equation chapter will complete it. So first dy by dx, what is the form of linear differential equation form? Dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. So dy by dx plus minus 3 into cot x into y is equal to sin 2x. Y, separate y, remaining all are p. Here what is p? Here p is equal to minus 3 cot x, q is equal to sin 2x. Sin 2x formula in trigonometry. What is sin 2x formula? 2 sin x into cos x. So integrating factor e power integral p dx is equal to e power integral minus 3 into cot x dx, that is equal to e power minus 3 separate from the integral cot x. Integral cot x is equal to log mod sin x. So that is equal to e power log mod sin x whole power minus 3 by the logarithmic formula. B log a is equal to log a power b power. So integrating factor is equal to, so e power log f of x formula, e power log f of x formula, e power log f of x is equal to f of x. This is the formula. So f of x is equal to what? Sin x whole power minus 3 or 1 by sin cube x. This is the integrating factor. So general solution, y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Integrating factor plus c. So y into integrating factor 1 by sin cube x is equal to q. Q is equal to what? 2 sin x into cos x. Integrating factor 1 by sin cube x dx plus c. So y by sin cube x is equal to 1 sin cancel, 2 into integral sin square. Sin square means sin x into sin x. So cos x by 1 sin x and another sin x into 1 by another sin x. Sin square x, the sin square x is equal to sin x into sin x. So cos x by 1 sin x and 1 by another sin x. So that is equal to 2 into integral cos x by sin x is equal to cot x. 1 by sin x is equal to cosecant x dx plus c. So that is equal to into integral cosecant x into cot x. Integral cosecant x into cot x is equal to what? Minus cosecant x. So minus cosecant x plus c. Formula direct. Integral secant x into tan x is equal to secant x plus c. Integral cosecant x into cot x is equal to minus cosecant x plus c. Integral cosecant square x dx is equal to minus cot x. So y by sin cube x equal to this one. So y is equal to 2, x is equal to pi by 2. So this is equation number 1. Substitute x is equal to pi by 2 and y is equal to 2. X is equal to pi by 2 and y is equal to 2 in equation number 1. Substitute in equation number 1. So next. So y is equal to what? 2. 2 by sin cube. 2 by sin cube pi by 2. What is x? X is equal to pi by 2 is equal to minus 2 into cosecant pi by 2 plus c. So sin 90. Sin 90 is equal to 1. No. Okay, sin cube and 1 cube. 2 by sin 90 1 no whole cube is equal to minus 2 into cosecant 90. Cosecant 90 is equal to 1 by sin 90. Sin 90 is equal to 1 no. So 1 no plus c. So 2 is equal to minus 2 plus c. C is equal to 4. So particular solution. Particular solution is from 1 y by sin cube x is equal to minus 2 into cosecant x plus c is equal to 4. Multiply y is equal to minus 2 cosecant x is equal to 1 by sin x. Cosecant x is equal to 1 by sin x into sin cube x into plus 4 sin cube x. So y is equal to minus 2 sin square x plus 4 sin cube x. So one sin cancelled. Minus 2 sin square x plus 4. ORRs 4 sin cube x minus 2 sin square x. First plus, next minus. So this is the problem. 13, 14, 15. Okay. Next 16th problem. Theory problem. In theory problem, find the equation of a curve passing through the origin. Find the equation of a curve passing through the origin. Origin means 0, 0. Passing through the point means x comma y. So here x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Given that the slope of the tangent to the curve at any point x comma y, slope of the tangent is denoted by dy by dx. So slope of the tangent at x comma y. So slope of the tangent equal to dy by dx. So dy by dx at any point of x comma y, at any point of x comma y. So x is called x coordinate in any point. First one, for example, in the point x comma y, x is called x coordinate and y is called y coordinate. So slope of the tangent at any point x comma y is equal to means equal sum of the coordinates of the point. Point means x comma y. In the x comma y, x is called x coordinate and y is called y coordinate. Sum of the coordinates of the point means sum means adding x plus y. dy by dx is equal to x plus y. So dy by dx is equal to x plus y. Next dy by dx minus y is equal to x. This is the linear differential equation. Dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. So minus 1, minus y goes to left side. So dy by dx plus compulsory in the form, what is the linear differential equation form? Dy by dx plus p into y. So minus 1 into y is equal to x. So here p is equal to minus 1, q is equal to x. So integrating factor is equal to e power integral p dx. So e power integral minus 1 dx. So that is equal to e power minus x. Integrating factor. Next, general solution y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. So y into integrating factor e power minus x is equal to integral q is equal to x into integrating factor e power minus dx plus c. So this integration by parts, u into v formula. So u into v formula, x is equal to v, e power minus x is equal to v, uv. What is the integration? U into formula, integral u into v dx is equal to what? U into integral v dx minus integral d by dx of u into integral v dx, the total dx plus c. This is the formula of u into v. So y into e power minus x is equal to u into x into integral v e power minus x dx minus integral derivative of u d by dx of u means x, integral v is equal to e power minus x dx and total dx plus c. So y into e power minus x is equal to x into integral e power x is equal to e power x. So integral e power minus x is equal to e power minus x by minus 1, because the derivative of minus x is equal to minus 1. So minus integral derivative of x 1, e power minus x derivative e power minus x by x dx plus c. So that is equal to minus x into e power minus x minus e power minus x plus c. E power minus x integration e power minus x minus e power integration e power minus x. So again e power minus x by, so y into e power minus x. So this is equation number 1. Substitute 0 0 in 1, because passing through the point is not 0 0, passing through the point means x y. So 0 into e power minus 0 minus 0 into e power minus 0 minus e power minus 0 plus c. So 0 is equal to 0 into something 0, e power minus 0 is equal to 1 plus c. So that is equal, c is equal to 1. From 1 substitute c is equal to 1 in equation number 1. So this equation number 1, y into e power minus x is equal to minus x into e power minus x minus e power minus x plus 1. So y into e power minus x is equal to e power minus x common, minus x minus 1 plus 1 by e power minus x. So cancel, y is equal to minus x minus 1 plus e power x. So 1 by e power minus x is equal to e power x. So y plus x plus 1 is equal to e power x. So this is the particular solution of the given problem. Okay. Next 17th question. Okay, clear? Everyone is important one, compulsory question, so don't neglect. Problem number 17, same type problem. Find the equation of a curve passing through the point 0, 2. Passing through the point 0, 2. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. Listen, see our textbook exercise 9.6, 17th problem. Given that the sum of the coordinates of any point on the curve, sum of the coordinates, x coordinate to y coordinate, these two, sum of the two coordinates means x plus y, exceed the magnitude of the slope of the tangent, exceed the slope of the tangent, slope of the tangent equal to dy by dx. Slope of the tangent, exceed means plus, exceed means minus, exceed plus the magnitude of the slope of the tangent to the curve at the point by 5. Point by 5 means adding, exceed by 5. Exceed by 5 means plus 5. Exceed by 5 means minus 5. Okay. So, same thing. Dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to, this is minus y. Minus y is equal to x minus y. Y goes to right side, 5 goes to left side. So, dy by dx minus y is equal to x minus 5. So, same problem. So, dx, dy by dx plus minus and 1 into y is equal to x minus 5. Here, p is equal to minus 1, q is equal to x minus 5. Integrating factor e power integral p dx is equal to e power integral minus 1 dx, that is equal to e power minus x. So, general solution, y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. So, y into integrating factor minus x is equal to q. Q is equal to x minus 5 into e power minus x dx. So, again u into v formula, islet, A algebra, this is u, this is v. So, y into e power minus x is equal to u into x minus 5 into integral v e power minus x dx minus integral dy dx of x minus 5, dy dx of x minus 5 into integral e power minus x dx totally dx plus c. So, that is equal to x minus 5 into integral e power minus x is equal to e power minus x by minus 1. No. So, minus integral derivative of x minus 5 is equal to 1. Integral of e power minus x is equal to e power minus x by minus 1 dx plus c. So, that is equal to minus x minus 5. minus. So minus of x minus 5 into e power minus x minus e power minus x plus c. Integral of e power minus x is equal to minus e power x by minus 1, minus minus cancel. So y into e power minus x. So y into e power minus x is equal to minus, okay, no problem. So this is the equation number 1. The equation 1 passing through the point 0, 2. Substitute x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 5 in equation number 1. So y means what? 2. Y is equal to 2. So y into e power minus x. So 2 into e power minus 0 is equal to minus of 0 minus 5. X is equal to 0. 0 minus 5 e power minus 0 minus e power minus 0 plus c. So e power minus 0 is equal to 1. So minus into minus plus 5 into 1 minus 1 plus c. So 2 is equal to 5 minus 1 equal to 4 plus c. So c is equal to minus 2. C is equal to minus 2. Substitute c is equal to minus 2 in equation number 1. So y into e power minus x is equal to minus of x minus 5, c value substitute in equation number 1. Minus of x minus 5 e power minus x minus e power minus x plus sum is minus 2, c value minus 2. So y into e power minus x is equal to e power minus x common, minus into x minus x, minus into minus plus 5 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 by e power minus x. E power x cancel. Y is equal to minus x plus 4 minus 2 into e power x. So y plus x minus 4 is equal to minus 2 into e power minus. So this is the answer. Y is equal to minus x plus 4 minus 2 into e power x. So 16th to 17th theory problems. So our theory you will understand, and first we have to write the linear differential equation from the problem. Okay, we have to write linear differential equation from the theory problem. Okay, 18th to 19th problems. In exercise 18th to 19th problems, so only integrating factors. Okay, simple, only integrating factor. So next to very important problem, example 20. Example 20, very important problem. Find the general solution of the differential equation. Find the general solution. Find the general solution of differential equation. X into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square. Only general solution. Particular solution means and find out c value. So only general solution means only up to equation number 1. So first solution, given that x into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square. So what is the linear differential equation form? Dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. So dy by d into x is there. So divide x both sides. Divide x both sides. So dy by dx plus 2 by x into y is equal to x. So here What is P? P is equal to 2 by XO. Q is equal to XO. Okay. Integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal to e power integral P dxo. Though e power 2 by xo. Integral 1 by x is equal log x. E power 2 log x. 2 common, 2 integral 1 by x is equal log x. So that is equal to e power log x square. B log a is equal to logarithm formula. E2 goes to power. So formula. What is the integrating factor? Integrating factor is x square. So general solution. General solution formula y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Y into integrating factor x square integral q is equal to x integrating factor x square dx plus c. So y into x square is equal to x into x square x cube dx plus c. X into x square is equal to x cube. So y into x square is equal to integral x cube is equal to x power 4 by 4 plus c. So y is equal to x power 4 by 4 plus c by x square, that is equal to x square by 4 plus c by x square. X square or cancel, x square 4 cancel. X square by 4 plus c by x square over x square by 4 plus c into x power minus 2. What is the final general solution? Y is equal to x square by 4 plus c into x power minus 2 is the general solution. Simple problem and a very important problem. Okay, last problem. Solve y dx plus x minus y into e power y dy is equal to 0. So this is dx by dy. So next to nineteenth problem. The integrating factor, only integrating factor, the integrating factor of the differential equation, the integrating factor of the differential equation 1 minus y square into dx by dy the integrating factor of differential equation x into dy by dx, x into dy by dx minus y is equal to 2x square. So divide first x into remove the x, divide x both sides, divide the x both sides. So dy by dx minus y by x is equal to 2x square by x. So dy by dx plus minus 1 by x into y is equal to 2x. So this is the form of dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. Here p is equal to minus 1 by x, q is equal to 2x, p is equal to q. So only integrating factor is equal to e power integral pre dx, e power integral minus 1 by x dx. So that is equal to e power minus log x, e power minus log x. So minus, so that e power log x power minus 1, power go, the minus goes to power. So e power e cancel, x minus inverse, x inverse is equal to 1 by x. So this is the CET problem. In the exercise, CET problem is only one type. Find the integration factor, find the integrating factor. So completed. Differential equation maximum completed. Next tomorrow go to the matrices. Matrices is some balance is there. Last exercise some balance is there. So tomorrow I will be explaining matrices. Thank you.